What's cracking, everybody? It's Symphony. I forgot to film a fucking intro for this video. Okay, so basically this entire video is just gonna be a clean with me. I'm gonna be spring cleaning the fuck out of my room. I'm gonna deep clean literally every fucking inch of my room, and it was honestly a lot of fun and it was really satisfying. I started this video off and I didn't really explain like what I was doing because I started it one day when I was putting away laundry, but I wanted to include that footage because I got the cutest video of Kitty like chirping at a fucking bird out the window. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. Kitty, do you see the bird? Do you see the bird in the tree? Do you see the bird? Yeah? Oh, come on. Where's he going? Oh. After that, I really just got like deep into cleaning my room. It was a totally different day and I really just got in there and did all the rest of my cleaning. So if you guys want to see me clean my room, if you guys want to see a very satisfying afterwards of how fucking like hard I work to get my room clean, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys enjoy cleaning videos, then go ahead and keep on watching. So these are all the dirty clothes I have to deal with. I got shit out all over on the floors. Kitty, the bed's a mess. I think I'm gonna wash all of the bedding all the way down to the sheets and everything today. That's a pile of stuff I need to put on Depop today. I've got more just crap on the floor. And yeah, I need to take some trash out, vacuum. I'm gonna dust. This mirror is disgusting. I don't know how, but I need to clean that, so I'm gonna like wipe down windows and stuff too. Also, this cute Jamie set is from Target, if you were wondering. Jesus Christ, Kitty. We're also gonna be getting him a new litter box today and changing out like his litter and food and everything, so yeah. Also, we already decluttered all our clothes. I wish I would have filmed a little bit of that, but we literally had my makeup looks like shit. We literally had our trunk like overflowing with clothes that we were getting rid of that were out of our off-season box, but also out of like our closet and our drawers and stuff too. So we've decluttered a lot of stuff in the last, I don't know, couple of months, because we've been kind of like collectively doing it, and then we did one final purge like just the other day, and it honestly feels really nice. And now my closet has nothing but spring clothes in it. Not fully summer, but spring. So this is all nasty shit from my cat's scratcher. So I've got the floor totally clear now. I need to throw like a few things in storage, need to clear all this off, need to wipe everything down. So yeah, I'm gonna throw on a record and keep moving. Look at that. Now I could actually potentially take mirror selfies / film outfits in my mirror. this not like the most satisfying thing ever? Oh, they're crystal clear. I love this so much. I'm so happy. Suddenly had this brilliant idea that maybe my vacuum can suck this dirt. Jesus. I'm kind of thinking it might be able to suck some of this dust out of here. Let's see. Alright, y'all. Here's the end result. Literally, it's not perfect. Like, obviously, there's still some dust, especially on the actual blades. But holy shit, other than that, this fan looks brand new. Let me show you guys the back. This was caked with dirt. I wish I would have been filming right as I went over that spot, because it was like a whole sheet of dirt and dust just like whoop. And I was like, what the fuck? So yeah. Anyway, that actually worked really good. So if you need a hack on like cleaning your fan without having to take it apart, just try to vacuum it out. You need to keep your air clean, and if a fan especially is blowing dust around, then you're not going to be breathing in clean or good air. And same with just having dust on like surfaces and whatnot too. So yeah, super, super important, and that was so easy. It took me like 10 minutes, not even, maybe 5. So now you can see my floors are totally clean. They look so much better. Oh my god. Now it's time to put all this shit back and finish doing laundry, and that's about all I have to do today, I think. Well, I'm pretty much done with my room. I'm just waiting. I did 2 loads of laundry already that I like folded and put away, and now I'm just waiting for all of my bedding to be done. I'm just laying here with Kitty, just kind of chilling out, listening to Brand New, and yeah, that's about it for today. I'm so tired now. Like, I could literally take a nap, but I don't want to, because as soon as my laundry is done, I want to put it away. Good boy. Okay, I've literally changed like 3 times today, but aside from doing laundry the other day, I did all of this in one day. So, I thought I'd show you guys the finished product of me spring cleaning my room. Okay, so I definitely rearranged like a very small amount of things. I took off the Urban Outfitters bag that was on the back of the store. I think it looks way better. And over here, I switched around our bins a little bit. And this bag, the shoes, and the purse are all for donate, so it's just kind of chilling there right now. But I have it so that it's only the bins, so much better. As you guys know, I vacuumed, the floor looks amazing now. I wiped down the windowsills, and pretty much just like literally any surface in the room. And like, guys, seriously, tell me this isn't like the prettiest spot of our room. Like, I can't, dude. I wiped all this down and tried to make it a little more simplistic too. I think it looks much better. We always have this fan right here. It's so ugly, but I don't have a better solution. I did clean it though. You guys saw that. And all of our records and everything. I still really need to get a matching crate, or just get like 2 new ones that match, because that green one is atrocious. But it's nice because the fan kind of covers it, so whatever. Also, all the bedding is now clean. It looks so pretty. I've been loving how I've been like making our bed lately. I think it looks so good. Also, that yellow backpack is full of swimming suits now because I had no bin to put swimming suits in. And it works really well because it fills up the backpack, so it kind of looks better in that corner. And I kind of tuck a lot of stuff right back here behind my guitar too, which is really ugly, but luckily, for the most part, you can't really see it aside from just like the mirrors, but that's where I get ready, right there, and that's where I film all of my videos. And I threw out Kitty's old scratcher that left all the shit. He's supposed to be able to scratch on top of that, but he only likes the fucking cardboard ones. Like, how do I get him to scratch on this? And then it's really nice because he doesn't actually sit in there. I guess it's a little too small for his liking. But it makes us like a really nice step stool because that's where he sits literally every day. And then since he doesn't go inside of there, like I said, that's where I throw all his toys to keep him off the floor. That is our whole entire room though. I think it looks so much better. This was kind of one of the first like clean with me type of videos I've ever done. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.